School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, I am just so excited. This evening, our Year 6 students will participate in a formal graduation ceremony, which marks their end of years of primary school learning. First time in a couple of years, we're about to invite not only our children to come together in the gym to celebrate this occasion, but to also invite the parents. So it's going to be an absolute wonderful evening. I know there's lots of excitement out there, and we wish our students every success tonight. I do want to say a really big thank you to our Year 6 team of teachers, the leadership team, the office team, because these things don't just happen. They take a lot of work by a lot of people. So a big thank you to our staff for putting the graduation ceremony together. And I'll let you know how it goes, but you'll probably hear how it goes from all our students. This week, I've been participating in interviews for our student leaders who will lead the school next year. I must say it's been absolutely fantastic listening to our students. Big thank you to Sasha and Michaela for your support. They are current school captains, and also to Miss McGrath, who's put a lot of work in, what we call behind the scenes, the work we don't see, in ensuring that the interviews are all organised. Our students who are presenting for the positions are well prepared. So a big thank you, everybody. And we will be announcing the student leader positions on the last day of school at, once again, our whole school assembly. Well, I'm looking at all the events that are coming up. And next Tuesday, we have our Year 6 students heading off to secondary college for the day for their orientation. Certainly wish all our Year 6 students every success on the day. I know it's going to be a lot of learning, a lot of excitement, and that day will set you up for first day of secondary college next year. On that day, on Tuesday, we'll also welcome our new preps into the school. They will also be participating in an orientation day. We have SRC voting closing on Wednesday. Your teachers would have spoken to our students in Year 2, Year 3, Year 4 and Year 5. We have Class Party Day coming up next Thursday. Meet and greet on Friday afternoon, and that's the occasion where our students will go into their grade for next year with all their new friends and classmates, and we'll meet their 2023 class teacher. Christmas carols are coming up the week after, and as I mentioned before, we're going to finish the year with a whole school assembly. Again, this is going to be a really exciting event where we all come together, we'll share some exciting news, we'll celebrate the end of the year, and yes, again, we will certainly be inviting our parents on. Really looking forward to that event. Well, that's all from me today. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Stay safe. I will see all our students attending graduation this evening. And a reminder, please read every single day, even on weekends. All right, take care, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankita.
I'm Rabani.
And I'm Shahir.
For maths, we are learning about 3D shapes in 4HX.
Miss Hogan and Mr. Moore allowed us to make a 3D city as a whole class project.
We love working together making the 3D city.
This is our beautiful city we made all together, called Crown City.
We were excited when Miss Batson came to our class. She helped us make some things and gave us really good ideas. A shout out to Miss Batson. Thank you, Miss Batson. And thank you everybody for visiting 4HX's Crown City.
Ho, ho, ho! Who's ready for a Christmas giggle? Here we go. What do you call Santa Claus when he's on a break? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Alright, your time is up. What do you call Santa Claus when he's on a break? The answer is Santa Paws. Great work, everyone. Have a wonderful week. We're getting so close to Christmas. We'll see you soon.
Hi, my name is Rihanna and I am in 1G. I have some questions for Mr. Roth. What was your school's name? Did you have technology? How old were you when you started school? Did you have color pencils? Hi, my name is Radhe and I'm writing my questions for Mr. Roth. What did you play in the past? What did you do at school? What kind of friends did you have? When were you born? When did you got your first mobile phone? When was your birthday? When did you got your driving license? Did you have a backyard?
Hi, my name is Ishan Krishna. I'm from 1G and here are some questions for Mr. Rolf. The first one is, did you have a toilet outside? Second, did you have toys? Third, did you have electricity? Fourth, did you have a chalkboard or a whiteboard? Fifth, did you have name tags?
Good afternoon, staff and
Sixth,
students. Sorry for the interruption.
All our library books are due back to the library. So do as the dino does and bring your books back.